Sri Sai Ram. My humble salutations to my beloved Bhagwan, respected elders, and my dear students. Hearty welcome to Differential Equations class. ప్రథమ పరిమాణ ప్రథమ తరగతి అవకలన సమీకరణాలు ప్రామాణిక రూపం ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ అండ్ ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. The general equation, general format or general structure of a differential first order and first degree differential equation. ఒక ప్రథమ పరిమాణ ప్రథమ తరగతి అవకలన సమీకరణాన్ని dydx f of x, y, ఇక్కడ f చలరాశులు x, yలో ప్రమేయము, లేదా mdx ప్లస్ ndy 0 రూపంలో రాయవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ m, nలు చలరాశులు x, yలో ప్రమేయాలు. A first order and first degree differential equation will be of the form dy by dx is equal to f of x, y, where f is a function in two variables, namely x and y. Or it can be written in the form mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Here m and n are functions in the variables x, y. Next, సరళ అవకలన సమీకరణము, ఎ లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఒక అవకలన సమీకరణంలో అస్వతంత్ర చలరాశి y, దాని అవకలజాలు ప్రథమ తరగతి మాత్రమే ఉండి అస్వతంత్ర చలరాశుల అవకలజాల లబ్ధాలు పదాలుగా లేనట్లయితే ఆ అవకలన సమీకరణాన్ని ఒక సరళ అవకలన సమీకరణము అంటారు. ఈ అవకలన సమీకరణం యొక్క సాధారణ రూపము dy by dx ప్లస్ పై y ఈక్వల్ టు q. ఇక్కడ p, qలు xలో మాత్రమే ప్రమేయాలు. A linear differential equation. What is the definition of a linear differential equation? A differential equation in which the dependent variable y and its derivatives are only in first order, and then these dependent variable and its derivatives, if the products of dependent variables and its derivatives are not in the equation, then that kind of differential equation is known as a linear differential equation. That means in the first order and first degree differential equation, if we do not have the product of independent variables and its derivatives, then such kind of differential equations are known as linear differential equation. A linear differential equation will be of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are functions in x alone. Then సరళ అవకలన సమీకరణ సాధన, ఒకటిని e పవర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ p dxతో రెండు వైపులా గుణిస్తే dy by dx ఇంటూ e పవర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ p dx ప్లస్ py ఇంటూ e పవర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ p dx is equal to q times e power integral p dx. That implies d by dx of y times e power integral p dx equal to q times e power integral p dx. రెండు వైపులా సమాకలనం చేస్తే y times e power integral p dx is equal to integral q into e power integral p dx plus c అని వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ c ఒక స్థిరరాశి, రెండు సమీకరణం ఒకటికి సాధన అంటారు. Consider a linear differential equation dy by dx plus py equal to q. Multiplying with e power integral p dx on both sides, we get dy by dx times e power integral p dx plus py into e power integral p dx is equal to q times e power integral p dx. The left hand side can be written as derivative of y times e power integral p dx, that is equal to q times e power integral p dx. Integrating on both sides, y times e power integral p dx is equal to integral q into e power integral p dx plus c. So here c is a constant and equation 2 is known as the solution for equation 1. Now సమాకలన గుణకము లేదా ఆయిలర్ గుణకము. Integrating factor. Define integrating factor. Integrating factor is nothing but e power integral p dx ను దత్త సరళ అవకలన సమీకరణానికి సమాకలన గుణకము అంటారు. integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx is known as the integrating factor for the given linear differential equation. Xలో సరళ అవకలన సమీకరణము dx by dy plus px is equal to q. ఇక్కడ p, qలు yలో మాత్రమే ప్రమేయాలు. Integrating factor equal to e power integral p dy. The solution is x times integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dy plus c. A linear differential equation in x will be of the form dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where p and q are functions in y only. Integrating factor is given by e power integral p dy, and the solution is x times integrating factor is equal to integral q times integrating factor dy plus c. Now, problem number 1, dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to 2 cos x. Now, ఇది yలో ఒక సరళ అవకలన సమీకరణము. దీని యొక్క రూపము dy by dx plus py equal to q. ఇక్కడ p equal to cot x and q is equal to 2 cos x. So integrating factor is e power integral p dx, that is e power integral cot x dx, that is equal to e power integral, that is integral cot x is log sin x, that is equal to sin x. Solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y times sin x is equal to integral sin x into 2 cos x dx plus c. That is nothing but integral sin 2x dx plus c. So y sin x is equal to minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. In other words, 2y sin x plus cos 2x equal to 2c. So dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to 2 cos x సమీకరణానికి సాధన కనుగొనము. ఇది yలో ఒక సరళ అవకలన సమీకరణము. ఇది dy by dx plus py equal to q రూపంలో ఉన్నది. ఇక్కడ p equal to cot x and q is equal to 2 cos x. Integrating factor is equal to సమాకలన కారణాంకము e power integral p dx, అనగా e power integral cot x. ఇంటిగ్రల్ cot x ఎంత? log sin x. కనుక e power log sin x అదేమవుతుంది? sin x అవుతుంది. కనుక సాధన y times integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. That is y sin x is equal to integral sin x into 2 cos x, that is integral sin 2x dx plus c. So we get y sin x equal to minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. In other words, 2y sin x plus cos 2x is equal to 2c. Now look at this second problem. dy by dx plus 4x divided by x square plus 1 times y equal to 1 by x square plus 1 whole square. ఇది yలో ఒక సరళ అవకలన సమీకరణము. ఇది dy by dx plus py equal to q రూపంలో ఉన్నది. ఇక్కడ p equal to 4x by x square plus 1 and q is equal to 1 by x square plus 1 whole square. So integrating factor is nothing but e power integral 4x by x square plus 1 dx, that is e power 2 times log x square plus 1, that is nothing but e power log x square plus 1 whole square, that is equal to x square plus 1 whole square. So solution is y times integrating factor equal to integral q times integrating factor dx plus c, that is y times x square plus 1 whole square equal to 1 by x square plus 1 whole square into x square plus 1 whole square dx plus c. That is nothing but integral dx plus c, that is y into x square plus 1 whole square equal to x plus c. Next, x plus 2y cube into dy by dx equal to y. Solve change. So dy by dx is equal to y by x plus 2y cube. In other words, dx by dy equal to x plus 2y cube by y. ఇది xలో ఉన్న, this can be written as dx by dy equal to dx by dy minus 1 by y times x equal to 2y square. ఇది xలో ఉన్న సరళ అవకలన సమీకరణం. This is a linear differential equation in x of the form dx by dy plus p into x equal to q. ఇది p equal to ఇక్కడ minus 1 by y and q is equal to 2y square. So what is the integrating factor? E power integral p dy, that is nothing but e power integral minus 1 by y dy, that is nothing but e power minus log y, that is equal to e power log y inverse, that is nothing but 1 by y. So solution is x times integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dy plus c. Now once again x times 1 by y equal to 2y square into 1 by y dy plus c. In other words, x by y equal to integral 2y dy plus c. So x by y equal to y square plus c. In other words, x is equal to y cube plus cy. Next problem. X into x minus 1 dy by dx minus x minus 2 times y equal to x cube into 2x minus 1. Dividing throughout the equation by x into x minus 1, we get dy by dx minus x minus 2 by x into x minus 1 y equal to x cube into 2x minus 1 by x into x minus 1. So this can be written as dy by dx minus x minus 2 divided by x into x minus 1 y equal to x square into 2x minus 1 by x minus 1. So ఇది yలో ఉన్న సరళ అవకలన సమీకరణం. This is a linear differential equation in y of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. What is p? Minus of x minus 2 by x into x minus 1. What is q? X square into 2x minus 1 by x minus 1. So what is integrating factor? E power integral p dx, that is e power integral minus of x minus 2 by x into x minus 1 dx, that is nothing but minus x plus 2 divided by x into x minus 1 equal to a by x plus b by x minus 1. Now on further simplification, minus of x plus 2 equal to, we can write this as a times x minus 1 plus bx. So put x is equal to 1, then automatically b becomes equal to 1. And then put x is equal to 0, then automatically b vanishes, minus a is equal to 2. So a is equal to minus 2 and b equal to. So this equation on simplification, e power that can be written as a by x, that is minus 2 by x plus 1 by x minus 1 dx. So once again this is nothing but e power minus 2 log x plus log x minus 1. So that is nothing but e power minus log x square plus log x minus 1. Log m minus log n. So it is nothing but e power log x minus 1 by x square. So integrating factor becomes x minus 1 by x square. Now what is the solution? Y times integrating factor equal to integral q times integrating factor dx plus c. So y times x minus 1 by x square equal to q x square by x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 by x square dx. So all the things get cancelled. We get integral 2x minus 1 dx plus c. So y times x minus 1 by x square equal to integral of 2x is x square. Integral minus 1 dx is minus x plus c. So y into x minus 1 equal to x square time into x square minus x plus c. Thank you for watching this video.